Friday, the 21st of April, 2023, about 10:30 in the morning. I'll tell you what, folks, the State Patrol is out today. I suspect they're going to be out all weekend. This is the third State Patrol stop I've seen this morning. The third. GSP is lean and mean. They want some money. They want your money. Get off that wallet. They're going to get you. We're going to go into Ingalls, and then we're going to keep on going. We're going to go a little bit different way up to the Hwy River today. I don't know, it is mid-60s. It's going to be a very nice day, I think. High 50s tonight. I don't know if we'll make it back to Arcade tonight or whether we'll spend the night out on the road somewhere. We'll figure that out, though, when the time comes. Okay, we're heading back out, and I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive I mispronounced the name of that river. I don't think it's Hwy River. I think it's Souk River. I think the Q may be silent. I'd like for somebody that knows how to pronounce it where I can hear it, so I'll know what it is. I've never been able to figure this out right. But, as I say, Georgia State Patrol, GSP, is out today. I've already seen 3 traffic stops. One on 129, one in Jefferson proper, and one right here. Okay, we're going to turn it off. We're going to go on 441 to the right here. We usually hit 23 and go up and catch 197 and go north. But we're going a different way this time, and we'll video from here over to Demarest, I guess, first, and can maybe try to catch the river. But this will be a different route from what we normally take. Okay, I have yet to figure out these intersections right up here. I usually go a different way. This is Friday, the 21st of April, 2023. It is now about 11 o'clock. We've just come out of the Ingalls. We've seen 3 GPS stops today. Georgia State Patrol, I assume, is going to be very active this week. They want to get in that wallet. They like to get down there deep. So, Clarksville, Demarest, Cornelia, 3/4 of a mile. Business 441. I think that's what we need to do. Take Business 441 north. Historic 441. That's what we're going to do. The GoPro Black 10 this morning. I have noticed when I get outside with these 2 cameras, the GoPro and the Osmo, gets so much better video. This windshield, the angle that the camera has to shoot through, and something about the glass, it just doesn't get near as good a video. I've got to figure out something. I don't know if it would be better if I got the camera back further from the glass, whether it would be better if it was closer. I'm thinking it'd be better if it was back. But anyway, this is State Route 105. We're going to turn left and we're going to go north on Business, Old 441, Old 23. Okay, let's cut it off until the light changes for us. Southern High Roads Trail. I've never heard of it. The more y'all ride around with me, the more you're going to hear incorrect information. I am real good at giving out incorrect information. Now, I haven't been this way in a long time. way we normally go, we'd be way off from Demarest. It's been a long time since I've been through right here. And this is Business 441. And I like to take the old route, so a lot of these places will look just like they did 50 years ago. See a lot more interesting stuff. I think the correct pronunciation of the river is Souk. Maybe we'll see somebody up here to ask. We're going to try to get the five. Well, I don't know about the five fish. We're probably going to put on our shorts, and we're probably going to get at least the Osmo or the GoPro 1 in the water if it's clear. If it's not clear, we may turn around and head back, because that's the main thing today. I want to get something in under the water, get some underwater video. Get the fly fish in the water, get some. I wanted to get down in Florida by November, and the van is giving me so much grief. And it's still leaking. It's been leaked since day one. After they put the engine and transmission in, they're going to have to fix it. But yeah, I was a sandwich in a wreck the other day, the meat. So I'm waiting for the adjuster to call to set up an appointment to take a look at the damage. I've already had my estimate, or have a estimate. He said they'd work with that company fine. But I sat around yesterday and day before most of the day and haven't heard back from them yet. Gas is $3.25. That's been sort of consistent. We got it for $3.11, but it's the station we got it at said they were going out of business. I don't know if it's true or not. It said also hiring for Sunday, so who knows? Okay, this is the old route 441, 23. Demarest University, established 1897. That's interesting. I never knew there was a Demarest University. What the Souk River runs into. I know it's got to end up in Lanier, but if it goes into the Chattahoochee, I bet it does somewhere. Hazel Creek. That's a nice sized creek right there. Sheriff, Habersham County. Well, this is a new video for us because I haven't been this way in a long time, way before I was videoing. US 441. We do have some old US 41 on the other side of Georgia, though. Yeah, see, some of these buildings look, you know, they're haven't been taken as good a care of, but I mean, basically, they look just like they did in the 1960s. These houses, probably built in the mid 50s, 60s. Apartments or townhomes? I guess those are probably apartments there. There's some of these little houses even back in the 40s. I need at least 2 little tiny houses for base camps, one on the southeast Georgia coast and one maybe northwest Georgia, northeast Alabama, southeast Tennessee, southwest North Carolina, somewhere up there. There's a big sort of flea market. See, I know I've been this way, but back before they did the 4-lane and the 441 and took it a different route. But it's been a long time. And we still got the sun in our face, so we're headed northeast. We're still headed east. Construction up here. Well, they're selling dirt, I guess. Dirt and gravel. Wood chips. That's wood chips. Well, this is a nice little drive. Cemetery. Okay, now here's where we usually come in at 197. And see, all these years, we could have cut off a good bit of time. I've always come up further north and hit 197 and come up. And I could have just come up 441 all along. I found a compass app on the phone that I like pretty well. It gives you north and everything, but it also gives you the angle of deflection from the level. Gives you pitch and roll. Pretty interesting. Now we're heading almost due west, due north. this new stuff here. Like I said, there's not much rural Georgia anymore. Certainly not North Georgia. Okay, let's walk over here and see what the river looks like. It's not all that clear here. North Georgia's had an awful lot of rain lately. I can see the bottom with the sun, but it's not overly clear. We're going to keep going upstream and see if we can find some more clear water, clearer, whatever is correct. It's a nice little park, but like I say, you can tell it floods, gets out of the banks up here, deposits all this sand. And again, that is Georgia 197. We're going to go to the left as we're going north. Boy, look at that big poplar tree. Ooh, man. That thing is every bit of 4 feet in diameter down here at the bottom. It may be, yeah, it's 4 feet. Boy, that is a nice tree. Look at that thing. Okay, well, let's make our way north. See if we can find some clear water.